Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to buy and sell coins on CoinMarketCap in 2025. Now, you need to know that CoinMarketCap itself doesn't directly let you sell the crypto or buy them, but it connects you to the verified exchange where you can safely buy and sell the coins. So let's go through how you can use it properly for trading and tracking your crypto investments. So first of all, you need to come here on coinmarketcap.com. Then you need to log into your account if you haven't already. So once you have done that, you are going to see this type of search bar here in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you just have to use this search bar and you need to start searching for any of the coins which is in your portfolio. For example, let's say you have the Pepe coin. So once you have basically look for your coin, you just have to click on the option of the star icon and it will be added here in your wish list or in your portfolio. So you can also click on the option of the home page of CoinMarketCap, and here too you are going to find all of the popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, etc. Now here when you just simply click on, let's say, Bitcoin, in Bitcoin when you just scroll down a bit, you are going to find the option of markets. So markets is going to basically show you on which of the platforms this particular coin is available. Like Bitcoin is available on various exchanges. You can also select it with the help of centralized exchanges and the decentralized exchanges. So Binance is popular where you can buy most of the cryptocurrencies safely. So here simply click on the option of Binance. Then you will be landed here on this page where you just have to sign in here with the help of your Binance account. After that, the buy and the sell button will be activated here in the bottom. So you just have to enter the price of the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you have selected, then the amount, and click on the option of buy. So this way your order will be placed here in your Binance account, but you come here via CoinMarketCap. So if you want to add the coin in your portfolio, you can definitely go ahead and add them here, and all the transactions will be show up here in your portfolio. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.